Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dharma wallet for DeFi access, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the official Dharma wallet website or open the Dharma app on your device. If you are using a web browser, locate the login button on the home page. Click the login button to proceed to the login screen. For app users, find the option that says sign in on the welcome screen. Once on the login screen, enter your registered email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button to receive a verification link. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Dharma. If you don't see it, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the verification link. This will redirect you back to the Dharma wallet app or website. You may be prompted to create a password if you haven't set one yet. Follow the prompts to create a secure password for your account. After creating your password, click the Login or Sign In button. You should now have access to your Dharma wallet dashboard. From there, explore the DeFi features available to you. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials and try again. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Now, you're ready to start using your Dharma wallet for DeFi access. Enjoy managing your assets and engaging with decentralized finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.